Welcome to Family Food Tale. Family that eats together, stays together. Hello everybody and welcome to Family Food Tales. होली का सीज़न आ रहा है और होली के त्योहार पे सब लोग ठंडाई तो ज़रूर बनाते हैं. So here I'm going to show a quick recipe of a thandai which I have learned from my grandmother. And as children, when we used to come to my grandmother's house, she used to always make this yummy, delicious thandai. So I took the recipe from my chachi, which she learned from my grandmother. So I'm going to share this quick recipe with you. And here we have a pan where we're going to heat some milk, just a little bit. You don't have to boil the milk because thandai to thandi pini hoti hai, right? Lekin halka sa garam karke, we'll add the paste to it. So here we go. We have some almonds, soaked almonds, and take out the skin. Some whole peppercorns, about 8 to 10. Again soak it. About 2 spoons of soaked poppy seeds. Similar, some soaked saunf or fennel seeds. Some melon seeds. Some whole lychee. You can add some lychee powder, which I'll add later. First we'll grind this, then we'll add the sugar. We'll add the sugar also. Depending on how sweet you like it, about half a cup of sugar. We're going to add some saffron to it. Add some saffron and just warm it a bit so that it gives a nice color. Make a nice paste of this. Still a bit of grinding needs to be done. I can add some milk so that it will grind easily. You can add water also if you want. Just add it to the milk. You don't need to boil it with the milk. If the paste don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All for now. Bye-bye.